everyone, my name is Dreama, and today I'm going to show you a do-it-yourself instrument with things you can find inside your house. So this is a trumpet. What? Believe it or not, it is a small little trumpet, and it is made with a toilet paper roll and a piece of construction paper and a little tin foil rolled up in balls and glue and tape. So little things that you can find at home, and I'm going to show you how to play my trumpet. So you just hold it up to your mouth and you So that's how you play the trumpet. It is really off your imagination, which is why I think it would be such a great tool to use inside the classroom, because once students make their own instrument and can use their imagination to create songs and to create noises with those instruments, then I think it would be a great tool to use for their comprehension about the instrument and how the instrument works as well. I also like this idea because it gives students an opportunity to be creative in the way where they can design their own instrument and make it their own and make it how they want it to be. So, I mean, the student could decorate it by using pink colors and like make it do crazy designs all over the trumpet and do little things like that. So it really is their own instrument. And then they get to design their own music with it. So I just played something off the top of my head. And then they can say why they play that and what inspired them to play that. And I think that would be a good type of music lesson that children should be able to engage in. So I hope you guys liked it, and let me know if you have any feedback. Thank you.